Speck leaks. Attaboy. Woo. Welcome back, y'all. Today is gonna be a fun day. It is Cannon's first time on the boat, and we're in the middle of the water. But let me tell y'all something about. Y'all can see over there at the boat ramp. I'll zoom in for y'all. Zoom in. Over there at the boat ramp, there's a bunch of geese. Maybe 30, max 40. But we pulled up, had the windows down, and Cannon heard the geese, and his head just perked up real quick, and he looked at him. As soon as I got him out of the truck, I had to put him on a leash. I started walking him towards the boat, and he was just keyed in on the geese and all the ducks. There's some ducks over there too. So he's doing good. It's definitely a warm one out here for him today. I got him some water, but he's kind of figuring it out. I got his rubber duck for him, so he'll get some fetches in. You can tell he already wants to go in for a swim. So sit, stay, stay, fetch. Now it's gonna be the fun part, getting him back up here, which I probably should just left the seat in that truck. I'll try to tilt the boat for him. You get up here? Come on. Can you do it, buddy? No? All right, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. In the bird. Ready? Ready? Shoot. Attaboy. Come on. Attaboy. Attaboys. See? That's a good boy. Oh, we're all wet. That's a good boy. Yeah. Go try to get you a platform for the boat, huh? Was that fun though? Was that fun? Did you want to do it again? Sit. Sit. Cannon, sit. Stay. Stay. Birds. Fetch. Woo! Atta man. Atta man. Atta man. Ready? Oh, come back over here. Hey, not under the boat. Here we go. Turn around. Give me the duck. Good boy. Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Oh shit. 1, 2, 3. Speck leaks. Attaboy. And y'all, that's why it's good to have. Good to have a lightweight dog. We gotta do stuff like that. He's only about 50 pounds, so if I had Angus out here trying to do stuff like this, he's 75 right now. That's a good boy. Yeah. How did that feel? How did that water feel? Yeah. You cooled down a little bit? Say hi to the camera. Cannon, say hi to the camera. Say hi, you. Oh yeah. Good boy. You got your duck. You got your duck. You got your duck. Show it to the camera. You got your duck. Good job. Stay. Okay. Nice. Sure, Uncle Jason's gonna appreciate that. Come on. Stay. Sit. Sit. You're hard-headed. Why don't you just sit? Stay. 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 Fetch. Atta man. Atta man. Good boy. That? I think it's just another island. Wait, such a good boys. Such a good boys. Can't see where it goes, okay? Can't see where it goes. You hear that splash? What was that? See the, see it? Fetch.
It's got that piece of metal at the bottom to where it doesn't let you hit the ground ever.
Oh, that's good.
So,
Well, I know it's been kind of short, kind of sweet, to the point. We didn't do too much out here, just did a little bit of training with Cannon. He's getting a lot more comfortable with the boat. He's actually up here on the bow with me, jumping in off the boat, jumping back in the boat. Deep water is a little hard just because he can't jump into the boat, so I'm having to pull him up. But I've already looked into a few DIY projects for that. Try to bring you along with us to do that. Just make it a little bit easier for him to actually get into the boat. But there's a storm rolling in, and it's rolling in fast, so that is my cue to leave. I'm just curious if this is something swimming or if that's a log. Yeah, it's just a log. Yeah. Cannon's zoned in on it. Yeah, that's why I'm using the trolling motor to get out here as far in the channel as possible. Kind of weird though, just the way we were moving it almost looked like it was moving. Was that you? I think Cannon just jumped, I don't know. Camden over there. Got Cannon the duck dog and Camden the, I don't know what you want to call him. He's a good guy though. But we're gonna get further out in this channel. But with that being said, I'm gonna head home, feed the birds, feed myself, feed Cannon, get some rest for work tomorrow. But I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for staying tuned. If you like it, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Camden the Crazy, there we go. But if y'all like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If y'all want to see more like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know if there's anything that you specifically would like to see on the channel, and we will try to make it happen. I will see you guys on the next one.